Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been here before, or welcome if it's your first time. I'm Sarah, and what I have today is my Boxycharm. I believe this is the premium box, and this will be my second time getting this one. Last month was my first one, and it was a Fenty themed box. So this one I think should not be a specifically branded box, so the value should be higher than when it's a specific brand. It's kind of different when it's a specific brand. So I'm just going to open it up and go through it with you guys. You might be able to see Anna here on the pool table. She has made some towels her own, and she's just hanging out back there. Cooper's down here too on the floor. It looks like the theme is festival vibes. And there is also information on the makeup eraser. I don't know if there's going to be one in here. There is a code on here to get 20% off. It's just Boxy20. So if anybody wants a makeup eraser, there's that. So I'm just gonna grab things out one by one. So this is the Lavito Age Away Replenishing Cream. So likely just a moisturizer that's supposed to have anti-aging benefits of some kind. It's really stuck in this box. Okay, so this is 50 ml. It's for dry or mature skin. It's emphasizing that it has grapefruit seed, avocado. It's supposed to firm, hydrate, and repair. I really like it has an expiration date on it. Just a moisturizer. Next thing. Oh, this is the Peach and Lily Good Acids Pore Toner. I have wanted to try this. I have their glass skin serum that I recently started using, which I had gotten 2 times ago from Ulta when it was half off during their 21 Days of Beauty in the fall. Not the one that just ended, but it was half off in that one as well. So this is a pH adjusting toner to use after you cleanse your skin. It's AHA and turmeric are kind of the called out ingredients. And I've heard that a lot of people do like this, so I definitely can't wait to use that. And it's in like a nice glass bottle. That's exciting. I love their packaging too. It's like really cute. Okay, this looks like Pharmacy. Yes. Oh, I also am really excited to use this. This is the Pharmacy Honey Potion, which also a lot of people like, and I've never gotten a chance to try. And it's got this like beautiful like wood styled lid that's magnetized for the scoop, so you actually don't lose it, because I have probably 20 little scoopers and never can find them when I want one. I think this might be the mask that like warms on your skin when you apply it. Yeah, massage for 1 to 2 minutes while it warms and transforms into a white cream. Leave for 10-15 minutes and then rinse off. I know a lot of people really like this, but I've also seen people post that like it hasn't done anything for them. So I'm excited to try it, and like it's just super cute. I'm using their makeup melt away balm right now, and I do really like that. I think I got one in the cherry in one of my Boxycharms, but I have the green one that I'm using right now, which I think I either got in an Ipsy or I purchased as like an add-on from something. So this is a Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paint. It's like a gel lip kind of thing. I think it has a doe foot. Yeah, so it has a doe foot. And this is in Waikiki Rose. I've also heard that people like this. It says it's easy to use for your face as well, so you can have like a monochromatic look with this on your like lips and cheeks. We'll just go ahead and try it on. So it definitely has like a powdery matte kind of feel, but not in like a bad way. So I'll definitely keep trying this out. I love lip products and I also love cream cheek products, so that's definitely right at my alley. Okay, so this is the IGK Good Behavior Protein Smoothing Spray. I feel like this looks familiar to me. I'm not sure if it was on like a Sephora sale page or if I've just seen somebody talk about it recently. But I know like a lot of people do really like the IGK products. Since this is a protein product, I believe it is meant for, you know, curly hair. Some curly hair is deficient in those proteins. And it does say on the back it's for frizzy, dry, or curly hair, which I do tend to have my hair get kind of frizzy. It can get dry. And I do try to have it be kind of wavy normally. Right now it's not super wavy, but that is always what I'm trying to coax out of it. So definitely a good one for my hair profile, which I'm not sure if I've filled out at Boxycharm before. And then this is my last thing in the box. This is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club mascara. I have used one of these up before and I have a new one. I don't know why this one didn't come in a box, but it didn't. So I definitely do like this mascara. It is a nice one that I have used before and enjoyed. No complaints about it. I really liked it. It does have like a squeezy tube, so like idea is that you can get more product out of it because it has the squeezy tube. I didn't feel like that specifically helped me in any way, but it's there. And I like that the box on the inside is this blue, just because blue is my favorite color. So there wasn't a makeup eraser in it, so I'm not sure why I specifically got this. Maybe one of the other variations had one, and so they just gave everybody that code. You know, these are pretty high value products, and that's why I haven't really bought any of them. But I'm definitely excited about this box. Something else in here is that Boxy Pop-Up is supposed to start May 12th. I've definitely bought things from Boxy Pop-Up before, and they do tend to have good deals on there. If you are a Boxycharm member, I think that the higher tier Boxycharm people get sooner access to Boxy Pop-Up, and some of the things do go really fast, but they do tend to like restock things over time. And even though some things go fast, I've been on there late and still seen things that I was interested in. So definitely think that this was a good value box for me. I am really excited about like a lot of these products, and you know, the mascara like I've used before and liked, so it's always good for me. I tend to not even buy mascaras for myself most of the time anymore, just because I'll get them in boxes like this, and frequently enough that I don't need to go out and buy my own anymore. So let me know what you think of my box. If you got a Boxycharm this month, did yours have different things? Are you thinking about signing up for premium and you want to talk about it? Definitely go down to the comments below and I will reply. Otherwise, I hope to see you again next time, and subscribe if you want to. Bye.